I'm wearing my secret identity glasses because today I'm going to be showing you some Marvel Endgame themed DIY projects. I am so excited for Endgame, like, I don't know if you understand. I'm seeing it with my friends in the theaters on opening night. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be 3 hours of my life. I'm probably gonna cry. I'm probably gonna laugh, and it's gonna be a roller coaster of emotions. I just can't wait for that. I'm taking off these glasses because these are annoying with the glare. I'm hopefully gonna try to get this out before Endgame because, you know, if you want to have like a viewing party or something, or if you want to be stylish, go into the premiere, like, I got you, girl. Also, if you haven't already noticed, I dyed my hair. It's like a tealish, bluish green, and I love it. It makes me feel like a comic book character. It's great. Comment down below who your favorite Marvel character is, and also what your predictions for Endgame are. If you want to subscribe and become part of YouTube's mightiest heroes, you can do so down below. By the way, do you guys like my shirt? It has like all the Marvel characters on it, and it's so cute, and it's like my favorite thing ever. I'm pretty sure it's like a men's shirt though, so it's like way too big on me, but I'm still gonna wear it to the Avengers premiere. Anyways, let's just get into the video. I was debating even putting this DIY in the video because I thought it'd be, you know, a little too mean, but I also thought it was too funny not to put it in. So, first of all, you have to fill a jar with some dusty, sandy looking remainy things. I found these gray rocks / pebbles in the garden section at Michael's. I'm sure you can just use gray sand or even go outside and get some sand if you want. So choose your favorite character that perished at the end of Infinity War and create a label and put that onto your jar so everyone knows exactly what's inside the contents of your jar. Of course I chose Peter Parker. This is like such a depressing, grim DIY project, but also I think it's really funny. Maybe I just have a terrible sense of humor. Anyways, so in order to make it more Avengers-y, kind of like it's an official Avengers product, I used a Posca pen, which is basically a white paint marker, and I drew the Avengers logo on the front, and you're done. You have your own jar of a Avenger remains. Amazing. What a beautiful decoration. You can like bring it to the premiere, so you always have your favorite character with you. It's really great. It's a great gift. It's too soon. Yeah. For this project, I basically just took some brown craft paper and I decided to paint my favorite Avengers logos on it. So I first sketched it out in pencil, and then I used acrylic paint to paint all of the Avengers symbols. You can choose basically whichever characters you want. I chose Black Panther, Captain America, Spider-Man, and Captain Marvel. You can also do way more than I did. I just got kind of lazy and I ran out of time to do more. But yeah, basically I just looked up a reference and I sketched it out first and just painted in layers, and I make it look easy. It's actually pretty easy. You just gotta, you know, watch some Avenger films while you're doing it. You could also print these out rather than painting them yourself, but I really like the painted look. I think it looks really cool and like professional. I don't know. So yeah. Okay, so basically once I was done, I just took a piece of string and I taped it on the back of all of them in a straight line and then hung it up above my dorm room window. I also decided to use some black construction paper as like place triangles so it didn't feel so empty. So yeah, I really like how it turned out. It's super cute. If you're having like an Avengers party, you can totally make these. Again, you don't have to hand paint it. You can like draw it out, or you can print it out, or use construction paper, whichever you want. Just like the general idea. I think it's super cute. For this project, you'll need some type of round pendants or cabochons, I think is what they're called. I found a pack of these with glass domes on Amazon. It came with a bunch of them. You're also going to need some type of really strong super glue and also some Mod Podge dimensional magic. So I wanted to try and make these glow in the dark, so I found this glow in the dark Mod Podge at the craft store, and I basically just did 2 layers of it on top of my printed images. I found this image on Google and I just sized it to the right size to fit inside of my little pendant. Super easy. Next, take your little glass dome part, or if you don't have a glass dome, just create a circle that will fit inside your little cabochon and cut it out carefully. The glass dome just creates a magnifying effect, so it looks super cool and really big on your pendant. I think it looks awesome. So what you have to do is just do a small drop of dimensional magic on the center of your image and then press your glass down as far as you can and like push it hard and smooth it out. And then take some more dimensional magic and spread it on the back and over the sides of the paper. This just completely seals it in and makes it very sturdy, and also so if you use like a glue that might damage the paper, it's not going to damage it. I was initially going to use super glue, but I ran out, so I have to use hot glue. It's not ideal for this project since it's jewelry and you want to use like strong glue so it'll actually stay together. So I'd recommend using E6000 or some other type of really strong glue instead. So afterwards, I decided to use some nail polish remover. You can also use rubbing alcohol to clean it up a bit and get some of the glue residue off of the glass. Also just make it shiny and, you know, really professional looking. Then, in order to make it a necklace, I just took an old necklace chain that I already owned and I just threaded it through the little loop, and you're done. It's super easy. Because the one I ordered came with a pack of a bunch of them, I was thinking about making all of these for my friends for the premiere because I think that'd be super cute. I think the picture's a little bit blurry on mine because my printer is the worst for printing out pictures, but like if you have a better printer than mine, then it'll definitely turn out way cleaner and more professional. But yeah, I think this is super cool. So thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to watch even more Marvel DIYs, I will link the video I did last year in the description as well as in the card right here, so you can go check that out and get some more cool DIY ideas. There's some cool ones in there. There's like the Tesseract, there's like the Thanos gauntlet jewelry situation thing. I don't know, I think they're all really cute and I'm proud of that video. My predictions are that Tony Stark or Steve Rogers are gonna die, one of the two. The Avengers are gonna disband, or they're all gonna die. I assume they're just gonna like disband and not talk to each other. I hope Tony Stark and Steve Rogers don't die because I love them. I love Captain America and Iron Man, so they better not die, but I feel like they will because of course they will. Everyone who snapped is coming back. Loki's dead, unfortunately. Like, I can't see them bringing him back in, like, a plausible way. Like, I don't know how they would excuse him coming back. Nebula better get a chance at kicking Thanos' butt because out of, like, everyone, she deserves to be the one to kill him. You know, that's just my opinion. I feel like she's the one who should kill him. I don't think she will, but I feel like she should. I put a poll on Instagram asking you guys whether you'd rather see Sabrina Chilling Adventures of Sabrina DIYs or Endgame DIYs, and it was like a 10%-ish difference, but Endgame won, so that's why this is coming earlier, and then next week I will be posting my Sabrina video, so yay, I hope you're excited for that. If you want to suggest other fandoms, I'm thinking about doing Umbrella Academy, My Hero Academia, trying to think of other ones that I can include. If you have suggestions, please leave them down below. Also, since the semester is ending, I'm going to be filming so much more, and I'm going to be doing more art videos, more just talky videos, and more DIY videos. It's gonna be great. I'm trying to, like, I won't say rebrand my channel, but trying to like make my videos better and make better content. So, you know, hopefully you enjoy. I enjoy making videos, so if no one watches them, it's fine. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you later, and bye!